no place that I won't go. And I feel as though if you got love and you putting out real shit, you can do that. If you kicking that shit from your heart, people go wherever your heart wants you to go.
I could get it off rapping, I could get it off trapping. Got my money stacking, had some meetings in Manhattan. Still independent and I'm about to make it happen. I ain't burned no bridges, niggas catch me in traffic. I got so many bars, my niggas is moving hard. How can I fuck with you when you ain't loyal to your squad? I always said the truth, get it stacked, then I blow it. Did my first show and bitch, I'm back in the hood. What's good? Philly nigga, my set hungry. Get nothing but the best from me. You gon' get respect from me. These hoes wanna give next to me. I'm so young, I feel lucky and I don't got no deal, cuz he always knew some niggas that'll slap hoes and kill for me. Do it from the heart so you know where it's at. I bust it open, tell that bitch to bring it back. And she know if she bring it back, she might just make it stack. And now I sit back and just laugh, cause it's crazy that
you don't know what you had, you're gonna find it's so bad when I'm gone and you're alone. No one to give it to you. You don't know what you had, you're gonna find it's so bad when I'm gone and you're alone. No one to give it to you.
okay, you know I'm switching lanes. I'm that nigga blowing up, and I ain't tryna tell you niggas peace when I throw it up. Trendsetter started with these people reppin' now. Couldn't get no better days, I'm about to change the weather now. Living out what they can never accomplish. Ask around, man, I swear that I got it. First mixtape rocked them. Shit bouncing similar to hydraulics. Cause my buzz big as New York projects, man, talk about it. And don't they love to see my face in the magazine? Grind mode, yeah, I'm at the cream on number 3. Like AI, had it planned out since I was yay high. And I don't see a nigga that can take mine. Still ballin' like it's 8-5, longer than the state line. I'm living the great life, Keystone State Mine. Go watch Great Time, heard it through the grapevine. Yeah, I heard it through the grapevine.
You don't know what you had.